So we can see Bitcoin attempting to break above 40,000. And guys, this is looking like the total 3 hidden bullish divergence is more probable to playing out this week now, because we can see the total 3 is getting ready for a massive breakout and it's testing the top of this channel. So I think a lot of money is getting ready to come into the altcoin market. Recently, we saw the Solana DEX aggregator open its airdrop. Now guys, this is the biggest DEX aggregator on Solana. And like I said in my previous video, I still believe Drift is going to be, well, it is the biggest perpetual trading platform on Solana. And I've been building this account up and I want to speak about the airdrop happening and why we should be farming this as much as possible. So if we go to the stats on the Drift protocol, you guys can see the total daily users is really starting to pick up because people are wanting to farm this airdrop because they can see the potential of Drift. They can see Drift having a nice price tag behind it. And you can see the cumulative volume has just been going insane recently. So this is growing by an incredible amount, guys. And this is why I think Drift will have a very large market cap. It's why it's got to be one of the best airdrops to be farming, in my opinion. So basically, guys, there's not going to be much trades we could open when it comes to perpetuals because of how much the market's moved. But it doesn't mean there's no trades to take. So I'll go over some trades we can possibly open still on Drift. And guys, I still think Polygon is that trade because looking at the daily, you can see the hidden bullish divergence is playing out and it's looking more probable as time passes. So seller exhaustion is showing, guys. We're going to get the flip soon on the MACD here. We got the stochastic RSI still telling us there's plenty of room to run to the upside. So I think if we were going to long Polygon, we could probably get away with a stop just below 77 cents. And you could target 95 even. You could target $1 even for the bigger breakout, okay? Because this looks like it is going to test this $1 area of resistance. So I do think there is still a trade to take on Polygon, and it is just my opinion, obviously, guys. Do your own research, but I am implying this on the total 3 and this week being the big altcoin move. So while there are some other coins you could probably long, I just think Polygon looks like the most safest bet. And like I said, guys, there isn't a big variety to choose from. So I'm sticking with Polygon. And actually, you know what, guys? Arbitrum is also worthy of a long. If you're watching this and we're still around $1.10, it's definitely worthy of a long for this week that is coming up. So building this account up, doing some DLP, adding liquidity to the liquidity pools. And guys, always remember when you're on Drift, you've got your main account and you've got your DLP account. So you've got your main account for your perpetual trades, then you've got the Drift liquidity provider for the DLPs. So basically, you just want to be adding whatever it is to this provider section whenever you can, guys. Every day, just add $5 to it. Doesn't need to be much, right? Because you have this small amount of leverage. So if you deposit $50 into your DLP, you've got a bit more to play with. Now, when you're doing this, always make sure you're providing liquidity from the liquidity provider. But just for an example in this video, I'll show you what I'm talking about. So if you have some money on your account, you could just add $5 to this one, to your matic pool. Then go to your Chainlink, add $5 to the Chainlink pool. Then go to the Solana, add $5 to this one. And just do this constantly, guys, every day or every second day. They are looking for people who are active on the platform, who are actively using the platform. So just some information there for people wanting to farm the Drift protocol. Because guys, like I said, the Space Cadets, the Jupiter airdrop, there's another round coming. So we could still be farming the Jupiter drop. And I did read it could be possible that if you're using the Drift protocol on the next Jupiter airdrop that happens, we could be eligible for the second round. So there's another reason to be farming as much as we can on Drift, because we could also be getting another airdrop with it. So that's it for this video, guys. A bit of an update on the Drift Protocol. It does look more probable now that this total 3 is getting ready for a massive breakout. And it does look like Bitcoin probably wants to fill this wick. But like I said, guys, the trading volume on the weekend is always a bit suspicious. You can't really trust it. So we may even just get a dump down to test 38,900. However, this does look fairly strong leading into the new week. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.